So you're an IT leader. You ran a training session, you held the Zoom, you recorded the walkthrough, you sent it to everyone, maybe you even built a whole training deck. And 3 months after go live, half your employees still can't do the basics in the new system without calling IT. This is one of the most frustrating experiences in any software rollout. You feel like you did everything right, and yet the adoption just isn't there. The problem isn't your employees, it's when and how the training was delivered. And once you see why, you can fix it permanently. Let's talk science for a second. There's something called the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. It's been around for over a century, and it shows that within 24 hours of learning something new, the average person forgets 70% of it if they don't immediately apply what they learned. Now, think about how most enterprise software training works. You schedule the training 2 weeks before you go live, you cover everything. Employees take notes, they feel prepared, and then 2 weeks pass, and then they get into the system for the first time, and they don't remember the training. The notes are buried in an email, the recording is in a folder nobody can find, they get stuck and they open a support ticket, or worse, they send the Slack message, "Hey, I got a quick question." The training failed not because your employees are bad learners, it failed because of timing. Because the moment of learning was completely disconnected from the moment of doing. So what's the alternative? We call it real-time enablement. Guidance that's there when someone needs it, where they need it, not 2 weeks before they need it. Here's what this looks like in practice. An employee logs into Salesforce for the first time to close a deal. They've never done it before. Instead of trying to remember a training session from 2 weeks ago, a step-by-step guide appears right inside of Salesforce. It's walking them through exactly what to do right now in the flow of their actual work. They don't need to find the training video. They don't need to call IT. The answer is in the app at the moment they need it. And this is the shift from training events to training infrastructure and real-time enablement. Instead of a one-time session before launch, you build a layer of guidance that's always on. New employees get it on day one. Existing employees get it when they encounter a new workflow, and it never expires. The difference in adoption is dramatic. When employees get answers in context, they actually use the system correctly. Support tickets go down, confidence goes up, and adoption just happens. When you switch from training events to real-time enablement, a few things happen. First, adoption goes up because employees get help exactly when they need it, not before. The friction that was causing the avoidance just disappears. Second, support tickets go down because the answer is there before someone gives up and opens a ticket in the first place. And third, your IT and enablement teams get their time back because they're not re-explaining the same tasks over and over again. The system is doing it for them. And fourth, onboarding new employees becomes dramatically faster. You don't run a training session every time someone joins. They learn in context from the first day on the job. Tango is built for this. You capture your workflows from the people who know the system best, and Tango surfaces those guides inside your enterprise applications exactly when employees need them. No trainer involved, no ticket required. Your employees aren't ignoring your training because they don't care. They're ignoring it because the timing is wrong. Training before they need it gets forgotten. Training at the moment of need sticks. The shift is simple. Stop front-loading and start enabling your team in real time. This is video 2 in our series of how to roll out software for your company. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And you can try Tango for free at tango.ai and see what real-time enablement looks like for your software stack. I'm Mark. Let's Tango.